Hello students, this is Dhana Kumar. Today I am going to discuss about probability. Probability is one of the important concept in 11th and 12th, and probability is last chapter in NCERT book, right? And from this chapter we can expect 100% one question in JEE. Clear? Right. Now in probability, what are that methods important? Right. So general problems using probability concepts. Next, addition theorem, conditional probability, Bayes theorem. Next, total probability problems and random variables. Both 11th and 12th, these are the main important problems. And in probability, we will use permutations and combinations formulas also. Clear? Now, let us coming to problems one by one. First, you see here general problems, right? So here probability, main important thing is first you have to read that question very carefully. If you understood that question, then you proceed. Otherwise, once again you read that question. Clear? Fine. Now you observe this one. A determinant is chosen at random from the set of all determinants of order 2. Determinant of order 2. Of order 2 means what? 2 by 2 determinant. Right? According to determinants concepts. Determinant of order n means what? N by n square matrix. N by n square matrix determinant. So here order 2 means what? 2 by 2. Fine. With elements 0 or 1 only. In that 2 by 2 matrix, elements are what? Either 0 or 1 only. Fine. Then continuation you see, find the probability that the determinant chosen is non-zero. Question understood? Determinant chosen is non-zero. Non-zero means what? Determinant answer not equal to 0. Okay? Right. In general, basic formula of probability is what? Probability basic formula is favorable cases by total number of cases. In any question, total number of cases means without any restriction, you have to write all the possibilities. Understand my point? Without any restriction, you have to write all the possibilities. Right? So let us coming to first to total number of cases. You see here 2 by 2 determinant. 2 by 2 means what? 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay? 1, 2. 2 columns. 1, 2. So you observe that one. 1, 2. 2 rows. 1, 2. 2 columns. Satisfies or not? Right. Satisfies. Now first what I told, total number of cases means without any restriction you write. Right. Here observe this one, total 4 gaps are there. Every gap can be filled with either 0 or 1 only. That is the given condition. Understood? So this gap can be filled with either 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1. So how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. That is why I am writing here 2. Next, again here also same 2 possibilities. Here also same 2 possibilities. Here also same 2 possibilities. Right. So total cases is equal to, observe this one. Here 2 by 2 means you have to take all 4 gaps. Means what? You have to use multiplication operation. So that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to what? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 answer is what? Right, 16. So according to question, using these two elements, how many determinants are possible? 16 determinants are possible. Means total we can get 16 answers. Here question, out of 16 determinant answers, how many determinant answers are non-zero? You have to identify. How many of them are non-zero? Understood? So here how many of them non-zero means don't blindly you solve all 16 possibilities, then you identify. It is very lengthy process. Clear? Then how to simplify? Now let us coming to a favorable cases. General 2 by 2 determinant I am taking. Here elements is some A, B, C, D. Okay. Here A, B, C, D belongs to 0, 1 only. Fine. 2 by 2 that formula is what? Cross multiplication. A into D, AD minus BC. 2 by 2 that formula is AD minus BC. Here condition is what? AD minus BC is not equal to 0. Right? Generally, possibilities, product of two elements here. If you are taking product of 0 into 1 or 0 into 0, answer will be 0. Both are ones means 1 only. Correct na? Right. So product answer also possibilities either 0 or 1. Understood? Fine. Suppose cases here you see, suppose AD is equal to 1, BC is equal to 0, then answer will be what? 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 not equal to 0. Is it correct or not? Fine. Second case, suppose reverse, AD 0, BC 1, then also answer will be what? Not equal to 0. Right? Now let us coming to possibilities. AD 1, AD is 1, BC 0. Possibilities I am writing. Here order what we wrote, understood? A, B, C, D, like that order. Product of two elements 1. So A value, D value must be 1. Then only this product answer 1. Clear? Next BC 0. BC 0. Product 0 means possibilities here. Suppose if you are taking both zeros, then product answer 0. So condition satisfies? Right. Suppose if you are taking like this 1, 1. Here this value 0, this value 1. Then again product answer will be what? 0. Satisfies. Suppose ulta if you are taking 1, 1, here 0, here 1. Again product answer 0. Satisfies. So for all these three determinants, answers is what? Not equal to 0. So in this case, how many possibilities? 3. Suppose if you are taking ulta, then again we can get how many possibilities? Can you guess? Like this only. Can you guess? Right. How many possibilities? 3. So favorable cases will be 3 plus 3. Answer is 6. So probability answer is equal to favorable cases by total number of cases. Right? I think cancellation possible. 2 3s are 2 8s are. That is equal to what? 3 by 8. 3 by 8 answer. Clear? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. Just you see here one more for some funny question. 3 married couples. How many members are there here? 3 is wrong. How many members I am asking? Couple means what? Wife and husband. Okay, so one couple is equal to strength 2 people. So 3 couples means 6 members. Understood? Here total strength 6 members. Total strength 6 members. Fine. 3 married couples sit in a row. In a row means arranging here. So you have to apply permutations. Fine. Find the probability that, here condition you observe that one. No husband sits with his wife. No husband sits with his wife. Okay. So no husband sits with his wife means what? That person can sit with other one. Okay. Now here, first condition, total number of cases. Total number of cases means what I told, without any restriction you have to write that possibilities. What I told here, arrangement. Fine. Total strength 6 people. 6 people can be arranged in a row in how many ways? Question understood my point? 6 persons can be arranged in a row in how many ways? Right, 6 factorial ways. How many ways? 6 factorial. But 6 factorial answer is what? 720. Okay. Now let us coming to favorable cases. Favorable cases. Here no husband sits with his wife. Right. So better I am finding this question answer in Volta. Means total number of cases. It is just like suppose in a class 100 people are there. 80 members passed in one exam. I am asking question failure strength. So failure strength how to calculate? Total strength minus passed strength. Is it correct or not? Right. In the same way, no husband sits with his wife is equal to total number of cases minus cases when at least one husband sits with his wife. Understood? Total minus cases when at least one husband sits with his wife. Sits with his wife. Question understood? At least one means what? Here you can use 3 couples now. Better you go for A union B union C. Right? That is inclusion exclusion principle. A union B union C formula is what? N of A plus N of B plus N of C. One part, one element. Minus 2 combination. Correct or not? N of A intersection B and minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A. After that plus. So inclusion exclusion. Alternate signs. First plus, next combination minus, next combination plus. Alternate signs. Clear? Okay, fine. Let us see one by one. Here, cases when at least one husband. At least one means what? Minimum one. Minimum one. Okay, let us coming to first case. One husband sits with his wife. Remaining two, no. Question understood my point? Only one husband sits with his wife. Fine. Okay, let us see actually 6 people. Fine. One couple, sir. Only one couple. One husband sits with his wife. Remaining how many members? 4. These 4 there is no restriction. Anyone can sit with his anyone wife. Okay. So here observe this one. What I am doing is only one husband means you have to select one couple. You have to select one couple. Total how many couples? 3 couples. Total 3. Out of 3 couples, you have to select one. Here I am using that word selection. Selection means apply which concept? Right, combination. Apply combination. Out of 3, select one. How many ways you can select it? 3C1. So that is why I am writing 3C1. Okay. I selected one couple. Let us say first one. Fine. After that, arrangements. Now you see here. Here how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people plus 1 unit of couple. 4 people plus 1 unit of couple. Total 5. Right. So 5 objects can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. So that is why I am writing into 5 factorial. Into internally arrange these two. 2 people can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So that is 2 factorial ways. Understood my question? Understood my point? Right. So what I did, first only I selected one couple. After that arrangement I wrote. Fine. This is case 1. Next case 2. Select 2 couples. Fine. Just you see. Okay. 1, 2. Fine. Total how many couples? 3. Out of 3 I am selecting 2 couples. I am selecting 2. How many ways you can select it? 3C2. So 3C2 into. After that arrangement. Here you see 1, 2, 2 people and 2 set of couples. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 objects can be arranged in how many ways? 4 objects can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Into internally, these 2 people can be arranged in 2 factorial and these 2 can be arranged in 2 factorial. Clear? Next, all 3. That is like this. 1, 1, 1. So all 3, total 3 couples, I am selecting all 3. So how many ways? 3C3. And 3 sets of couples, 3 possibilities. 3 objects can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Internal arrangements. First couple 2 factorial, second one also 2 factorial, third one also 2 factorial. Understood? Right. Now let us coming to simplification here. 3C1 value is what? 3. 5 factorial value 120. 2 factorial value 2. 120 into 3 2s are 6. 12 6 are 72. So this part answer 720. And here 3C2 answer is what? 3C2 is equal to 3C1, that is 3. 4 factorial 24. 2 factorial 2. Again 2 factorial 2. That is equal to 24 into 3. 72. 72 into 2. 144. 144 into 2. 288. Fine. In this case, 3C3 value 1. 3 factorial 6. 2 factorial 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 8. 8 6 are 48. Okay. Now let us coming to favorable cases here. Total minus this. Is it correct or not? Right. So see next slide. Total means 720 minus inclusion exclusion principle word I told. So case 1 720 minus case 2 answer 288 plus case 3 answer 48. Expansion 720 minus 720 cancel, minus into minus plus, so that is 288 minus 48. So that is equal to 8 minus 8 is 0, 8 minus 4 4 and then 2. So favorable cases 240. Then probability answer will be favorable cases by total number of cases. That is equal to how much? 24 3s is 72. 1 by 3 answer. Clear? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. Simple question. I think this model question, it is there in NCERT book also. Okay, let us see. If the letters of the word regulations be arranged at random, arrangement is there, apply which concept? Permutations. Okay, remember, find the probability that there will be exactly 4 letters between R and E. Question understood? Arrange that letters of the word regulations. But your condition is what? Between R and E, you have to arrange only 4 letters. Arrange how many letters? 4 letters. Fine. Okay, let us coming to first of all, total how many letters are there and is there any letter repeated? You check it. Especially permutations and combinations, probability, these type of questions are there. First important point, all letters are different or is there any letter repeated? You cross check it. Clear? I think here all letters are different now. Okay, first of all, how many letters are there? You check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Total how many letters? 11 letters. So total number of cases, what I told, total number of cases means without any restriction. So 11 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 11 factorial ways. That is equal to 11 factorial ways. Clear? Let us coming to favorable cases. Favorable cases, what is that condition? Okay. First here, observe this one, total 11 letters between R and E. Okay, you observe that one, probability that there will be exactly how many letters between R and E? 4 letters. Okay, for our convenience, you take 4 gaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly 4 letters. That is why I took between R and E, how many gaps? 4 gaps. Fine. And remaining how many letters? Actually total 11 letters. Out of 11, here 4 plus 2, 6 completed. Okay. Remaining 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps. Understood? Okay. Let us coming to this one. First, what about our duty? General way. General way, what about our duty? First, you have to choose 4 letters. Correct or not? You have to choose 4 letters. Understood? Right. So, you have to choose. Choose means what? Select. Select means apply which concept? Combination. Okay. Total 11 letters. Out of 11, R, E, 2 letters we wrote. Right. Remaining how many letters? 4 letters. 9 letters. 11 minus 2, 9 letters. Okay. Remaining 9 letters. From 9 letters, you have to choose 4 letters for these 4 gaps. Is it correct or not? Right. Is it correct or not? Right. Now, so from 4, you have to choose 4 letters. So, how many ways you can select it? 9C4. How many ways? 9C4. Right. Now, here selection over. After that, arrangements. After that, arrangement. Right. Complete this part. Considered as one set. Complete this part considered as one set. Fine. Now next here, arrangement. First of all, you see outside this box how many gaps? 5 gaps. 5 plus 1 set. 5 plus this one set. Total 6. So 6 objects can be arranged in how many ways? Arrangement. Here apply permutation. So 6 objects can be arranged in how many ways? 6 factorial ways. So that is why I am writing 6 factorial into internal arrangements. That is R and here question between R and E, but here not mentioned. Starts with R, ends with E, that word not mentioned. So R and E, these two letters can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So into 2 factorial ways. Into here these 4 letters internal arrangement. These 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So that is why I am writing here 4 factorial. Okay. Now after that simplification. So that is probability is equal to favorable cases, that is 9C4 into 6 factorial into 2 factorial into 4 factorial by 11 factorial. Question understood? Right. So according to options, you follow that one. In options, directly if it is there, this format, this is the final answer. Otherwise, you simplify it. 11 factorial means 11 into 9 into 8 into like that till 6 factorial. Cancel, then expand it, we can get that answer. Understood? Any doubt here? Main thing you observe that in all these questions, we are using permutations and combinations concepts. Understood? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. 5 different games are to be distributed. Distribution of things. In earlier session I used this word. I told distribution of things is there. You have to use combination. Okay. Fine. So here 5 different games are distributed among 4 children. Mean children also different. So here different to different. Fine. Randomly. The probability that each child get at least one game. Each child get at least one game. That is our question. Okay. Fine. So here options are given 1 by 4, 15 by 64, 21 by 64, none of these. Fine. Okay. First, total number of cases. What I told total number of cases means without any restriction. Okay. Here, how many games are there? Games, children. Okay. How many members are there? Children also. Children 4 people. Games 5. Children 4. So 5 games. So let us say G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. 5 games. Children, 4 children are there. C1, C2, C3, C4. So total number of cases means what I told, without any restriction. Without any restriction. So that is, suppose if you are taking this G1. G1 can be given to any one of these 4. Correct or not? If you want, you can give G1 to C1 or C2 or C3 or C4. Okay. So for game, first game, how many possibilities are there? 4 possibilities. Understood? G1 can be given to either C1 or C2 or C3 or C4. So total how many possibilities? 4 possibilities. Similarly, G2 also same. It is just like functions mapping only. G2 map to either C1 or C2 or C3 or C4. So for G2 also 4 possibilities. So that's why I'm writing here 4. Similarly, G3 4, G4 4, G5 4. So that is equal to answer is what? 4 power 5. Answer is 4 power 5. That is the answer for what? Total number of cases, not probability final answer, right? Okay, total number of cases. Let us coming to favorable cases. Favorable cases means restrictions. According to our condition only you have to find out. So here total 5 games are there. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, and children, 4 children are there. C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay, it is just like mapping, functions mapping. This is A, this is B. A to B mapping. Correct now? Okay. Here condition is what? Condition, observe that one. If each child get at least one game. At least one game. Okay, fine. So let us say first you map this one. Okay. Now here every child got one game. After that 5 game can be given to either C1 or C2 or C3. Suppose G5 map put to C4. Okay. According to functions, now here this is which function? Can you guess it? Which function? 1 not possible. Onto possible? Right, onto possible. Because codomain set 4 elements, range also 4 elements. So codomain is equal to what? Range. Codomain is equal to range means then the function is said to be onto. Function is said to be onto. So here number of favorable cases is equal to number of onto functions. Number of onto functions. In earlier functions concepts we discussed this number of onto functions problems. Here 2 methods. One is number of onto functions, direct one formula is there, or otherwise we can find this number of onto functions using permutations and combinations also. Let us say here any of 4 elements are there, better you go for permutations and combinations concepts, very easy. 4 children, so 4 groups. 4 children means 4 groups. I am taking like this. Actually 5 games now. So total 5 objects are there. Fine. So 5 objects can be distributed among these 4. That is our question. Possibility. Just you see here. Possibility will be 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 games and 4 parts only. Fine. Is there any other possibility with different denomination? Because this internal arrangement that will do. Different denomination. Let us say if you are taking first one 3. Next one 1. 1. Next here 0. Then only sum should be 5. But our condition is what? At least one game. So this is not possible. Not possible means only one case, right? So final answer will be total how many games? 5. So 5 objects can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Whole divided by. Here one part contains 2 objects. So 2 factorial into Remaining parts 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial. So 1 factorial is 1. So no need to write also. But for 3 groups equal division is there. So that is why I am writing denominator 3. And internally these 4 objects can be arranged in 4 factorial base. Internal arrangement into 4 factorial. That it gives number of onto function. So that is equal to simplification. 5 factorial answer 120. 4 factorial answer 24 by 2 into 6. Anyhow 2 6 are 12. 12 2 are 120 into 2. Answer is what? 240. Right? Now let us coming to probability final answer. Probability answer sum P is equal to favorable cases 240, total number of cases 4 power 5. Correct now? 4 power 5. So that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Simplification here 4 6 are 24. Correct now? 0. Again 4 how many times? 15 times. Is there any other possibility? No. 15 by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So for this question answer is 15 by 64. Clear? Any doubt? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. Now this question is related to quadratic. If A is an integer lying in closed interval minus 5 comma 30. A is what here? Integer. Remember that point. Integer. Then the probability that the graph of this function, graph of quadratic expression is strictly above x-axis. Graph of quadratic is strictly above x-axis, right? See, generally quadratic expression diagram shape is what? Parabola. Here x square coefficient is what? Positive. X square coefficient positive means upward parabola. Let us say rough diagram will be like this. Okay, x-axis, horizon, y-axis. Just rough diagram will be like strictly above x-axis. Means observe this one simple thing. Curve does not meet x-axis means what? This quadratic equation has no real roots. No real roots means what? Imaginary root. That is the condition behind this problem. Okay. So that given quadratic equation has imaginary roots. Understood? Okay. Let us coming to first total number of cases I am writing. So here what I told, total number of cases means without any restriction. A is an integer lying in this interval minus 5 to 30. Minus 5 to 30, how many integers are there? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 up to 30. Okay. So these are all total 30 integers. Here 2 here 5 integers. And this one 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 30, 36. So total number of cases 36. Let us come into favorable. Here you have to use that condition. What is that condition? Here the roots of this quadratic equation are imaginary. When we say that roots are imaginary, when discriminant is less than 0. Is it correct or not? Right. So discriminant less than 0. What is the formula for discriminant? Discriminant formula is b square. B means x coefficient. What about x coefficient here? 2 into a plus 4. So 2 into a plus 4, b square minus 4a. A means x square coefficient 1 into constant term minus 5a plus 64. B square minus 4ac less than 0. Is it correct or not? Right. Now simplification here. 2 square 4. Here also 4 is there. Total common term 4. So 4 shift this side, or otherwise dividing both sides with 4. 4 cancel. Remaining this part. Okay. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 8a. And here simplification, minus into minus plus. 4 5s are 20a. But here 4 cancel now, fine. So minus into minus plus 5a minus 64 less than 0. Okay. One order you write here. A square plus 8a plus 5a. 8a plus 5a is what? 13a. 13a. And 16 minus 64. 16 minus 64 answer is 48, which is less than 0. Okay. Now simplification, quadratic inequalities. How to find quadratic inequalities? Right, you have to use Wavy-Curve method. Fine. Wavy-Curve method means first of all you find factors. What are that possibilities? Product minus 48, sum plus 13. Okay, possibility will be 16 3s are 48 minus, okay, plus 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 13. Fine. So this can be written as a square plus 16a minus 3a minus 48 is less than 0. First two common term is a. So see that next slide, a common. Remaining a plus 16. Last two minus 3 common. A plus 16, which is less than 0. Total common term is a plus 16 into a minus 3 is less than 0. Okay. Now Wavy-Curve method. So first bracket equal to 0. A value minus 16. Here 3. Wavy-Curve method procedure is plot those values on number line in ascending order. So that is here minus 16. Here 3. Symbol starts with here positive, positive, product to positive, plus, minus, plus. So here conclusion less than 0 means negative. Negative area here minus 16 to 3. Here you should be very careful about that a value, because here particularly given condition a belongs to minus 5 to 30. Minus 5 to 30. Okay. Common area. Let us see one more number line. Minus 16 increasing order. Next minus 5. Next 3. Next 30. This part answer minus 16 to 3. This part minus 5 to 30. Common area will be what? Minus 5 to 3. Minus 5 to 3. So A belongs to minus 5 to 3. Understood? Right. Now what about this A belongs to minus 5 to 3? Actually A is what? Integer. A is integer. Between this interval, how many integers are there? 5, negative part 5, 0, 6, positive part 1, 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So favorable cases is equal to 8. Then probability now easy. Probability answer is favorable cases 8. Total number of cases 36. Okay. Cancellation possible, I think. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. So that is equal to 2 by 9 answer. 2 by 9. Understood? Right. Now let us coming to next one more question. Now see here, two numbers A comma B are chosen. Chosen means what? Selection. Selection means apply combination from the set of integers 1 to 39. Here total how many integers are there? 39 integers. Fine. Then probability that the equation 7a minus 9b is equal to 0 is satisfied. Question understood? Okay. Here 4 options are given anyhow. Let us see first total number of cases. Total number of cases means what I told, without any restriction. Fine. So here total how many integers? 39 integers. Out of 39, select 2 integers because AB only 2. 39 C2. Okay. That's why starting only I told chosen. The word in last session only I explained. The word choose or chosen is there. Apply combination. So out of 39 I selected 2. So 39 C2. Total number of cases fine. Let us coming to favorable part. Favorable cases. Favorable cases means condition. What is that condition here? Right. You see that equation 7a minus 9b is equal to 0. Now you have to choose 2 numbers from this set which satisfies this equation. Okay. So like that, how many possibilities are there? You have to identify. How many possibilities? Understood? Okay. Let us see here directly if you are taking 2 combination satisfies or not. If you are directly verifying like this, little bit difficult. Then how to do this one? You see here simplification minus 9b shift this side. That implies 7a is equal to 9b. Okay. 9 shift this side. B is equal to what? 7a by 9. B is equal to 7a by 9. Now you observe this one. B is integer. B is integer means right side also integer. When we say that right side part integer, when a must be multiple of 9. A must be multiple of 9. Then only complete right side part is integer. So you have to choose only multiples of 9. That is our important point. Okay. Fine. So first A is equal to, here A and B select from this set 1 to 39 only. That is very important. From 1 to 39. What are that 9 multiples? 9 ones are 9. If you are taking A is equal to 9, 9 cancel, B value 7. So A9, B7 belongs to this set. It is fine. If you are taking next number, 9 2s are 18. 18 means 2 7s are 14 in your integer. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. First of all, 45 does not belongs to this set. So up to this only. Finish. So total how many possibilities exist? 4 possibilities. So here favorable cases 4. Now probability answer will be favorable cases 4 by total number of cases 39 C2. Okay, anyhow options simplification is there, so you have to simplify. 4 by 39C2 can be written as 39 into 38 by 2. So that is reverse. Simplification you see here. 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 1, 8, 18, 2 nines are. Okay. After that, is there any other possibility? No. 4 by. So I think in options numerator for this only. So might be this one correct. If you want, you can multiply 39 into 9 also. Then verify. Understood? Right. Let us coming to next one more question. Now this question related to limits concept. Now you see every question. One question related to quadratic, one question related to matrices and determinants, one related to P and C. Okay. Now here limits. Fine. Here also same. A and B are chosen. Again word chosen is there. Means you have to use combination. Randomly from the set consisting of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 integers are given. With replacement. Here word observe that one, with replacement. Fine. Then the probability that here satisfies some condition. So what I told, first of all, total number of cases very easy. Okay. A and B. So here with replacement na, so for A how many possibilities? 6 possibilities. For B also 6 possibilities. 6 6 are 36. Okay. Let us coming to favorable cases. Favorable cases. So if you want to verify that AB values, means first of all you have to find this limit answer. Okay. Let us see using limits method. First I am simplifying. Limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x by 2 whole power 2 by x is equal to 6. Simplification. So here first put x equal to 0, a power 0 1, b power 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 by 2 1, and power 2 by 0 infinity. Means given question in the form of 1 power infinity. 1 power infinity is 1. No. This is indeterminate form. So indeterminate form, 1 power infinity, some procedure, one formula also is there. Instead of by hearting that formula, f of x something, g of x something formula, it is there in our reference book. Now just you see one order, e power. For all 1 power infinity questions you follow this approach. E power, this part as it is, limit x tends to 0, base minus 1, right? What I told, base minus 1. So that is a power x plus b power x by 2 minus 1. Base minus 1 into exponent. Exponent is what? 2 by x. Answer is what? 6. Clear? Now you simplify. E power limit x tends to 0. LCM. LCM is 2. Numerator a power x plus b power x. 2 ones are 2 into 2 by x. 2 to cancel. Answer is 6. Let us coming to next slide. E power limit x tends to 0. A power x plus b power x minus 2 by x is equal to 6. Correct or not, you see? Okay, fine. If you are substituting x 0, then 0 by 0 form. Again 0, 0 cancel, answer 1? No, answer 1 is wrong. It is in the form of 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Anyhow, 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Here are two methods. Direct one formula is there, or otherwise you can go for L'Hopital rule. Fine. Direct formula also is there. Now you see, limit x tends to 0. This can be written as a power x minus 1 adjustment plus b power x minus 1 by x, splitting here x, here x. Can we write like this? Because 2 means I am writing like this. What about formula for this one? Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. Formula is log a. So e power log a plus log b. So that is equal to 6. But log a plus log b formula is what? Log ab. Basis e is equal to 6. E is same. So answer is AB. So here we got finally AB is equal to 6. Now easy favorable cases. Okay. Now let us see here, A comma B, always you select from this numbers 1 to 6 only. Fine. Here I am writing AB is equal to 6. Product of two numbers 6 means 6 factors only na. Possibility 1 into 6. 2 into 3. Next ulta. 3 into 2. 6 into 1. Okay. So here finally total how many possibilities we got? 4 possible. Therefore, number of favorable cases is equal to 4. Probability answer is equal to 4 by 36. So 4 ones are 4 nines are. So 1 by 9 answer. Understood? Right. So in next session I will explain probability problems based on Bayes theorem, multiplication, conditional, random variables concepts. Clear? Okay. Thank you.